Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer assets into Brand24 campaign visuals, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To start, log into your Brand24 account. Navigate to the dashboard and locate the campaign you want to work with. Click on the campaign to open its main interface. Once inside the campaign, look for the Assets tab on the left-hand menu. Click on the Assets tab to access your current visuals. To transfer new assets, find the Upload button, usually located at the top right of the Assets section. Click on the Upload button to open the File Selection dialog. Choose the files you want to transfer from your computer. Make sure your files meet the supported format requirements specified on the Upload section. After selecting your files, click the Open button to start the upload process. Wait for the upload to complete, indicated by a loading animation or message. Once uploaded, your new assets will appear in the Assets section of your campaign. To organize your assets better, consider creating folders or categories. You can also drag and drop your assets to rearrange their order. If you need to delete any assets, hover over the asset and click the trash icon. Confirm the deletion when prompted to ensure the asset is removed. Now, your campaign visuals are ready for use. You can incorporate these new assets into your reports and presentations. Check the visuals to ensure they display correctly before finalizing any external sharing. And that's it. You've successfully transferred assets into your Brand24 campaign visuals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.